Look at this beautiful view. You know what it is? It's a Christmas. But there is something missing. The delicious chicken. There are so many choices to make, so let's compare one by one. Starting from KFC. I know, but Japanese KFC is very clean and high quality, so don't worry. Many people think Japanese people eat the KFC on the Christmas day. I personally don't know, but we're getting it. So we're choosing the original recipe chicken. This is the most popular one. 310 yen. My eyes got captured with a spicy miso garlic chicken. Okay, I want it. I'm getting it. I'm going to review this chicken maybe in a reel or short, so don't forget to follow it. Got it. Lawson. I got an LA chicken 220 yen. 7-Eleven. Many people think 7-Eleven has the best food. There are two kinds of fried chicken. The left one is more crispy, but I picked the right one because this is more like a Western style, which is a Christmassy. The last Family Mart. Maybe you know already, but there is Family Chicken, but this season there is a premium chicken. I picked this one. Tadaima! Itadakimasu! I'm starting from the Family Mart Premium Chicken. I was surprised with how soft it is. Every bite you feel the juice. Really good. There is a bone. Next, 7-Eleven. It's so soft, but it's more like fat soft. And they're using different herb from the Family Mart. If you press it, you see the juice or oil. Next, Lawson. This tastes more like a pepper, and this is the most crispy one out of everything. The last KFC. If you like the flavor of the chicken itself, oh my god, do you feel that you are eating chicken? No disgusting fat oil or too strong hard flavor to cover up the smell because it's just a pure chicken. Serious deliberation time with the glasses. The number 1. Family Mart Premium Chicken. The tenderness, balance of the spice, the fattiness, everything was really good. Also, compared to the normal Family Chicken, there was no cheap oil. I liked it. I wanna give the special award. I wanna give the special chicken lovers award to KFC. KFC chicken didn't have Christmassy flavor, which is a herb and a juice and everything, but as a chicken, this was the most delicious one, so I give it to a special award. ごちそうさまでした. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram for the daily update. Don't forget to follow my Twitch for the more Pepe Meltdown journey. If you don't know what to follow, just go to hazunats.com. Thank you for watching.